Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate dates. First, gather your ingredients. About 20 medjool dates, 1 cup of high-quality chocolate, and any desired fillings or toppings. Begin by carefully pitting each date, making a small incision down one side. This creates a perfect pocket for your fillings. Ensure your dates are completely dry before moving on to the next step, as any moisture can cause the chocolate to seize. Now, let's get creative with fillings. You can stuff your pitted dates with a wide array of delicious ingredients. Popular choices include creamy almond butter, rich peanut butter, or even a dollop of soft cream cheese. For an extra layer of texture, consider adding a whole roasted almond or a crunchy pecan inside each date. This step truly elevates the flavor profile of your chocolate dates. Next, it's time for the star of the show, the chocolate. Melt about 1 cup of your preferred high-quality chocolate using a double boiler or microwave, stirring frequently. For a beautiful, glossy finish and a satisfying snap, consider tempering your chocolate. Carefully dip each filled date into the melted chocolate, ensuring it is completely coated. Allow any excess chocolate to drip off before placing them on parchment paper. For the grand finale, add some delightful finishing touches. While the chocolate is still wet, sprinkle on a pinch of flaky sea salt, some finely chopped pistachios, or toasted coconut flakes. These toppings add both visual appeal and extra flavor. Allow your chocolate dates to set completely, either at room temperature or in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. Store them in an airtight container for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.